Hey there, how's it going? So around 1 year ago today, I was in Colorado. This is the first time I've ever been on an airplane, and we took a family vacation. I recorded this whole movie to look back at our family vacation and see all the fun things that we did. I'm a huge Denver Broncos fan, so we went to the stadium, saw the gift shop, everything was awesome. Obviously COVID wasn't happening around this time, so we got to go to a baseball game, enjoy sports, go out to eat, and do a bunch of fun stuff without any masks. As I rewatch this video, it makes me realize that how thankful I was to have this experience with my family a year ago. We got to go to a Coors Brewery tour and get drunk. We went to Golden, Colorado. We got to discover the gold mine tours, and we got to see Broncos training camp.
Let's go, Vaughn!
All these little things that we can't do today. And one of my favorite things was getting lost in the mountains. We went to Estes Park, which is a great place. I really recommend going there sometime in your life, and we overall just hiked. It's nice to look back at how life was back in 2019. People were walking around having fun, shaking hands, hugging each other. Everything was good, and obviously life has changed right now. So as I rewatch this movie, it's like reliving the past, and it's a good time. So I thought I would just share some of the footage from that movie, mainly the hiking. The hiking was awesome. I really recommend going to Estes Park in Colorado. The hiking trails are amazing. You can really discover some cool places, and as I was rewatching this, I'm like, I haven't posted this to YouTube. So I thought I could share some of these experiences with you. Hope you enjoy.
Love it.
Wow.
You took the whole chip?
He took the whole chip.
Trying to find a squirrel.
Behind you, right?
Wow. This is my happy place. Alright, this is ice cold water. Oh my god. Woo! That's cold!
Ooh, that's slippery. Meeting halfway.
Sorry.
No, I'll go. Oh!
Hannah and I are going to the Loch. Met this guy on the bus. He said it's really cool. So we're hiking our asses up there. How you doing?
Great.
Horsies. trying to survive.
Seems like we've been walking for days.
I'm gonna go.
Lucas has blended in with the earth and is a mountain goat.
Hi.
Oh my god. Okay, he heard us.
And we found snow. This is awesome. We made it. Oh my gosh. What a hike.
We made it.
Incredible. You guys want to go for a swim with me?
No, thank you.
All right, so this water's really cold, right? And we're not here often, so we're just gonna go in. Plunge. So my toes are numb. Yeah, that was nice. Oh, there she goes. That's nice. I hope you enjoyed some footage of Estes Park and hiking the mountains. Obviously, in my family vacation, we did a lot more stuff and a lot of footage was left out. However, I just wanted to show off the hiking and show people how cool it is out in the mountains and how I encourage people to get out there and explore the world. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, I do have another vacation that I went to in January to Arizona and Utah. We explored several national parks, so maybe I'll post those in the near future. Stay positive, stay safe. I love you.